to show you what you should be putting in a Scentsy borrow bag. Please like the video, and if you want more hints and tips for your direct sales business, please subscribe to the channel. So borrow bagging is an amazing way to get new customers, to entice people to think about joining your business as well. And all it takes is for you to pluck up the courage to loan some of those products that are sat in your cupboard or on your shelves, not working for you, out to people who are interested in knowing more about Scentsy. So what is in my borrow bag? I loan everybody a warmer. When we have sales on the warmers, I always get myself a couple of really good sales warmers. And inside I pop the lead as well. I make sure that all of the wrapping is taken off the box, because if people think this is a brand new warmer, for some strange reason, they are less likely to use it for fear of damaging the products. So this is number one. Then I give them lots of literature. I give them a new catalogue. And I have been known to pop in sachets of coffee or tea bags so that they can take a load off their feet while they read the new catalogue. I also pop in a product sheet with my details on. Now, whoop, it's all tied together. Why do I do that? I want them to hand on information. I never know when are they going to get somebody who's also like, what is that you've got, Margaret? Tell me about it. So that's why that goes in. And I tell my customers, somebody asks, please hand on my details and tell them they can have the borrow bag. I also like to put in my thank you information so they know we are a small home-based business, and my referral scheme to push the idea of hosting a party or becoming a consultant. So it's kind of subtle, but it works wonders. And I include our 10 reasons to join Scentsy. Each of us produce our own personalised reasons, and our Scentsy story, because again, you never know who might want some second income. My borrow bag customers have recommended people to join me. That is huge. And finally, the order form, because this is what we're after. We want people to place orders with us. So pop that in, and when you meet your customer back, it'll either be filled in, or you might find that they want to talk to you about the order, so you can fill it in then. And finally, the all-important smells. Whoops! The all-important smells. So I like to pop in a bar, because this shows a customer when they're buying Scentsy exactly how much wax they're getting. Normally my bars have little bits of writing on them, but they're all loaned out at the moment. So this should say, I am a Scentsy bar. I am flame-free and toxin-free and soot-free, and I am super safe, and I last about a month of fragrance. So that's what my little boxes say. And then in it are the samples. Now, what I like to do with my customers, and the reason I think I am very successful at doing borrow bags, is I like to match what my customers love to smell to what goes in their borrow bags. So firstly, I give them a full cube of wax, or in Spain, 2 cubes, because we have that moisture, that humidity problem in the air, so we need to loan more so they get the same fragrance experience. And I like to make sure that if they like fruits and florals, that I'm giving them something like that. If they like vanilla, I'm giving them vanilla bean buttercream. If they like musks, I'm finding out what type of musk. Because if you match the fragrance to their specific favourite candle, or a specific scent group that they love, then you are going to have so much more success. Because let's face it, people buy what they love. So that is what is in my Scentsy borrow bag. Samples. Make sure they are full cubes. I know if you're starting out, it might be a bit of money, but you know what? It's worth it. Information! A warmer. And a cute bag. Wrap it up like it's a present. Now I need to wrap this video up. So I'm going to say, hasta luego, guapas and guapos. I will speak to you soon, and remember,